force XML through XML split. So for example, what I'm doing over here is you have a login page for trading application. You log in into a trading application. So you have sent your credential over here. Now you are going to a trading site where you are putting an order, say 20 Microsofts, and this is order which is going in XML stream. So this is a change which is compared to old application. Old application usually order place in a post or a get with a parameter strings, parameter and value. Over here it is constructing XML string and send it across, and you are getting that order is placed. And now over here, if you go and see what you have sent, this is what you have actually sent as a part of your post, XML version 1.0. Now interestingly, you can see there is a XML version equal to. So what one can do is, if I want to auto submit a form, what I can do is I can take a less than 2 version as my name in a hidden value, and remaining part I will put as my value in my form. So when auto click submit the form, it will put the string together and put equal to in between. So actually I will generate through a form. I will target the form to the target site over here, and this form will have this little form where I have dissected the stream from equal to. So now if I go over here, and this is XML stream going, here is my form dissection code. As you can see over here, what I've done is I've created a form, name by NC type, input is type equal to hidden, name equal to less than 2 version. I have put in a name, and then a value is in remaining part. So when someone come to this site, this page, it will generate a XML stream back to the target site, and it will cause a CSRF over XML. So this is the way, like, it has actually hit the site. It has constructed the XML stream, and we got an order is placed from completely different domain, which is separate from our trading domain. So this is the way various different things can happen. And finally, we'll move to code analysis, how you can analyze your code, your web services code for vulnerability, scan the code base, identify linkages, method signatures, and look for various patterns for SQL, LDAP, XPath, file access, checking on the validation, and code walking through tracing. This is a very interesting feature which you can use. So for example, over here I have a app code scan application which is capable of scanning, scanning entire source code. So what I've done is I'm passing over here, I'm sending saying that I want to scan ASMX files, which is a web services files. So I want to scan those files, and then I select my code base, which is WS folder, and then I'm selecting the rules. Over here, these are the rules which I'm using, say web method /n/n. So what I'm doing is I'm grabbing the web method, which is actually the web method is essentially a web services method, and then from a web services method I'm taking 2 or 3 lines below. So from that I get the signature of the function method. If a web method is session enabled, then I'm grabbing that. If it is a all public function from the file which I'm getting, I'm looking for a file stream, and I'm looking for a SQL command and select query if it is running on that particular page. So if I run this over here, I get all the signatures. So yeah, I got a public signature, I got this, these are the command. And now what I can do is the interested variable which I am interested in, for example fs is the variable which I am interested in, I can trace the variable using this walk functionality. So what you can do is you can walk that function in multiple files, so you get the complete trace of your variable from where it is started and from where it is hitting. So you grab the variable which is coming in a public function, because you know that public function is actually grabbing HTTP request parameter, and then trace the variable, and if it is hitting to your database or it is hitting to your file system, then that's the vulnerable part. So that is it. And content filtering, regular firewall will not work, client filtering HTTP will not work. You need a SOAP level filtering, ISAPI level filtering is essential, SOAP content filtering through HTTP module. So over here, if you write a simple HTTP module and plug into your application, HTTP run application will come. Your HTTP module will hit first before it actually hit to your web application. So you have a web application firewall which is actually for a SOAP. And there is a tool which is called Web2Wall, which is essentially a tool for 2.0 defense, where you can do a JSON filtering, where you can do a SOAP filtering as such, and you can set up the rules for it. So over here, little demo of Web 2.0 wall. What we have here is an application. Here is a simple code where I'm grabbing patterns which I'm looking for. Then this is a code where I'm hooking the code to the HTTP pipe. I'm grabbing my INF file where my rules are residing. And over here I have getting the post envelope, so like a post in which the SOAP envelope is residing. I get that, and if I get any pattern matching, then I send a security error back. So over here, this is a get quote method. For example, I am sending IBM as one of the stock which I'm looking for its quote. I send IBM, I get what I get back is 25.32, and now I try for a single quote or a double quote, and it will give me a security error because it is tracked right at the module level before it hits to my application layer, and vulnerability will not get exposed. This is a quick fix. Actual fix is definitely a secure coding. So that is it, and that's pretty much it. I'm pretty much done. Thank you very much for listening me patiently. If you have any question, let me know. Any question? Yeah, please.
Are these tools online?
Yeah, they are available on.
Are they open source to be extended?
Ruby is open source. Others are written in .NET, so they are not open source. It is like not hardened. So if you like go ahead and decompile it, you will see the code. I haven't locked the code and I haven't added obfuscation to it or such. You just open in a refractor and you will be able to see SOAP code. Okay, thank you.